As India celebrates its 79th year of independence, as we told you, the growing self-assurance in the citizens is palpable. DD India's Vishal Barrister spoke to the NCC cadets who had the chance to have a picture with the Prime Minister at the Red Fort today.
Behind me are these NCC cadets. They are fortunate enough to have a picture with the Prime Minister. At the Red Fort, the Prime Minister came and also interacted with them. I have cadet.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Junior Under Officer Ritika Khes. I am from 1 Delhi Girls Battalion, and I am very honoured to attend this very prestigious Independence Day camp. That was a 15-day camp with the final day of meeting our very dear Prime Minister.
How was the interaction with the Prime Minister?
It was very nice. It was so informative. His speech was so inspirational on how to be so dedicated and hard work. The hard work needed to make this country a full Viksit Bharat.
And what did he say to you?
He asked us to be high motivated, high on Josh, and he asked us to say a slogan and motivate ourselves.
In this whole 15-day camp, we learn how to have self-control on ourselves and what the things we have to do when we have to enter army and other forces as well.
What inspiration did you draw from the Prime Minister's speech?
First of all, it was a great experience seeing our Honorable Prime Minister from this close. He is really a great motivator for all of us. The inspiration I got by seeing him from so close was that he always motivates. He keeps motivating us, the youth of the country, and we are proud that we have such an honorable Prime Minister. And being a youth of this country, we will always take this country on great heights.
The Prime Minister has said that let's make this country a prosperous country. I am with you. So what do you have to say about it?
As Sir said, Jai Hind everyone. I am 3rd Officer Jayanti Diwan, Associate NCC Officer from 1 Delhi Girls Battalion. You can see the voice of the nation. This is the youth of the nation. And Nari Shakti ho ya youth ki Shakti ho, wo kabhi kam nahi padegi. And as a trainer, as an Associate NCC Officer and my cadets, we are sure जो सर का मोटिव है वो हमारा साथ देंगे और हम उनका साथ देंगे. Can we have big?
How's the Josh?
How's the Josh? See the Josh here. NCC cadets can say louder. How's the Josh?
The Josh is very high, and why not? India is still young at 79, and there is a long way to go. With cameraman Gaurav Giri in Delhi, this is Vishal Barrister for DD India, Red Fort.